Hello, my name is Tatiana Bachkirova. I work at the Business School of Oxford Brookes University, UK, at the International Centre of Coaching and Leadership Development. Oxford Brookes, by the way, was the first university to offer a MA program in coaching, professional doctorate in coaching, and recently a postgraduate certificate in coaching supervision that I lead. As an academic, apart from teaching, of course, I have some opportunity to do research, and I also supervise quite a lot, academically supervise MA students and doctoral students, which is actually, it's an enormous pleasure and privilege because the quality of the work is growing exponentially. I also, to support research, co-edit Coaching, an international journal of theory, research, and practice, together with Carol Kaufman, and she presented it already perfectly well. I don't need to say more. In relation to the research, I think that we need research in all aspects of coaching, but I want to focus only on particular one, which is for me a starting point for the whole field, and it is the role of the coach as a person and as a professional. Because I believe that coaching is not a mechanical exercise independent from who we are. And for that reason, we need actually to look at the development of coaches. We also need to see what they do actually, how they engage with their clients. And with this in mind, I want to support a particular methodology for studying these questions. And this methodology is, I would say, slightly different from the traditional field that values yes, it is qualitative, but it values individual experiences of all people involved. And I know that it's difficult to register and measure such data, but I still believe that properly developed projects can derive at intersubjective truth about very important aspects of coaching. And here are some questions that I think could be approached this way. How can coaches identify in their practice the boundaries between what they do and counseling or therapy? What are the ways to develop congruence between you as a coach and your model and style of coaching? What is it like to feel stuck as a coach? And what are the ways out of this state? How coaches can register or miss, actually, power dynamics in the coaching session? And the last one, what are the psychological traps in coaching? For example, self-deception or collision with the client, and how do we deal with that, if at all? This type of question, if you can see, they may not need a hypothesis, but they need to be approached with an open mind, an appropriate methodology, and an intention to learn from the actual field. And there are many coaches out there who can contribute immensely to the task of developing our field. Thank you.